Hello, lovely people. I'm Solomon, and today we are going to talk about how to install or uninstall Python packages or how to uninstall unwanted packages. So, if today is the first time on our channel, please make sure to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll be the first to know. Now, let's get into the video. Now, to know the packages that you are using um, in your project, in your Python project, there's a command that you can use that will display all the files for you. This command is a pip freeze command. So let me show you quickly in the terminal. This is show you with sample. So to list all the packages in your project, in your Python project, you can use pip freeze. Let me see if I can increase that a little bit for you guys to see. Okay, so you can use pip freeze. So is right there, and then when you press the enter key, it's going to show you all the packages that you've used in your project. So let's see. Where are you? Okay, so these are 4 packages that I've used in this project. Now, another thing you can also do is to copy this list in case the list is very long. Copy this list into a text file so you can go through and then remove the useful ones or copy the unwanted ones into a different file, and then I will show you how to uninstall it. Okay, all right. So to do that, you use the pip freeze command again, but this time with different parameters. Okay, so we'll do pip freeze. Let me get that quickly. Pip freeze. And then we'll do minus requirements. Let me reduce this so that I stop moving. So requirement.txt and then I'll hit the enter key and then we'll see what will happen. So we'll create a file for me. So when you see here, let me scroll down quickly into the project folder and see where my requirement. See. Okay, I think I made a mistake in the command. So let's see. So I think this place is what is supposed to be this, and then press the enter key. Yes, that's it. So let me show you. So this is the command. This is the right command you have to use right here, like that. So that's it. And then when you check the folder list up, you see that we have our requirement.txt has been created for us. So now what you can do is you can go through this this list, and then you remove all the ones you don't want. So what I can do, I can make a copy of this so that later on I can reinstall it. Okay, copy created. So over here I can, let's say I don't want all of them. I don't want all. So we'll try it and see. So we'll uninstall all of them, and then we'll see how it goes. Now, the command you have to use for uninstalling everything, it's pip freeze. Hey, no, pip uninstall dash yes. So in case it asks you whether you are sure you want to uninstall, you say yes. It will say yes automatically. And -r and requirement.txt. So when I execute, let me show you the command. So there's a command right here. So there's a spelling mistake here in the uninstall. So uninstall right here like that. Okay, so that's it. So if I press the enter key to execute, you realize that all the packages will be uninstalled. So let's try it. So try it like that. So it's uninstalling all the packages. And after that, I'll also show you how to, if you want to install all the packages, if you want to install the packages back, how to do it. So I'll also show you that as well. And that will bring us to the end of this video. So after the uninstallation, I'll also show you how to install them. Now, to install them, this is the command you use. I'll show you right away. So to reinstall, use the same pip, but instead of a few things, so you do pip install, and you do -r and requirements, the file that is keeping your txt, the file that is keeping the list of packages. So if I do this, it has to reinstall every package for me. So let's try it right there. So you see it's collecting the details and it will install all the files. Install every file in the requirement.txt. So that is it. So that is one useful part of the pip package in Python. And this same pip, you can also use it to install individual packages just by typing pip install, leave a space, and then the name of the package. So it will go and fetch the package and then install it. That is exactly what is being done here. It picks the package from the requirement.txt file and then goes to look for it and then install it. So it's going through the process. We'll finish soon, and that will bring us to the end of how to install or uninstall packages from Python. This also helps you when you have a lot of packages in your project. You want to uninstall all of them at a go. Yes, the pip install helps you to do that. It also helps you to uninstall a lot of packages at a go. So let's see what happens. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video. My name is Solomon. Bye bye.